Good morning, last day here at Bali, and we've ordered the floating breakfast. Very good for Instagram. Yeah, to be honest, we just ordered it for Instagram, but it looks great. It's awesome. So this is the BTS of an Instagram shoot, and you should have seen her just now. She was like picking up leaves while trying not to get into the water, while trying not to knock over the breakfast. It's hard. It's hard. Yay! Our romantic bath is ready. Looks so pretty. P for Purnama, Royal Purnama. Ooh, flowers. So we've also got this romantic setup, which is so pretty and romantic, but we're here, the two of us. Naked. Now we're heading to the spa. So hot. We're really rushing. We're really close. Just a tad bit. So we've arrived at the spa at the hotel. Same gorgeous doors, tiles, and everything. And here's an example. When I tell you guys I pack heavy, like I'm heavy packer, look at that. Those are my bags, and then like this is what Carmina. This is what Carmina needs. It's crazy. I don't get it. I tried packing light, guys, but yeah. Oh well. While I fill out this form, here's a fun fact. I used to be a lighter packer. As a matter of fact, the last time I was here, I was backpacking. Unbelievable. Those days are long gone. Name, Nicole. Oh, I like this pen. It's Snowman V5 0.7. Room number. No, it's a good pen, don't you think? It makes me feel like very research. Thank you. Thank you. So here are the scent of the oils that we can pick from, and Carmina picked this one with lemongrass, and I picked this one. I don't remember what's in it, but it's good. Oh, there's eucalyptus in this one. We're at the spa now. And then, okay, I actually picked the most boring wall to vlog from. Hi, Carmina. Carmina, guys. Carmina. Carmino. This is what it looks like. Sorry if I'm shaky. I'm my heart is beating super quick from running. And then a little sofa, bed. Oh, that's a lot of products. Nice.
We need to shower. We need to soak in the tub.
I think we've done enough soaking for one day. Duh! Here is the bath. Hi. Pretty tiles, toilet, shower. Time to relax. Ooh, jam girl. So relaxing, finally. Yes.
Later.
So we've just finished our facial and, well, not just facial, this whole spa session. And they've brought us our tea. I have to lean down so low for this. This is Carmina, it's for calming, and this is mine. This is, I think, antioxidant. And yeah, let's try it. Oh, it's still pretty warm. And then oh, it's good. It's not too spicy. Yummy. We're actually matching today. We got matching. Wow, okay. We got matching skirts. That is Carmina's. It's a bit darker in color. Hi. Oh, TJ. Shoes, skirts, top. Okay. We're at our cooking class now. But first, water. Wow, and so nice because we're cooking at the bar. So then we're actually facing the beautiful. Bye.
So this is Nico trying to cut onions.
So, after 2 onions and 1 piece of garlic, I have officially given up. And now we have... Does it sound like the news? So now here we have Miss Carminola doing the slicing. Wow. So the things that are easy to break, you do not need to cut. Ooh, pretty colors though. So this is the place where we're cooking. I think at night it's like a bar, but also they can use it as a kitchen. But can we take a moment to just admire this view? Oh my! I got it on camera. And now they are hard at work cooking. You know what, guys? This really reminds me of my life back in. Everything in the blender. So now we have sandwiched the sauce, the chicken in between the sauce. Pretty.
Put the lime leaves on top.
They will open like a rose.
Ah, roots,
Stem,
flower. Whoa.
But the stem is not this one, it's for sample only.
Yeah.
You want to take a picture? Put with like hair. Put like this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay, so note this end.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
This one thin slice.
Yeah, this slices. All we cut in.
I'll try.
Definition of thin slice right here.
Okay, I'll try.
Carmina thin slicing.
It's not very thin, but
It's good enough.
okay, Mama.
This.
Even better than mama.
That's like
Believe it or not, this is a star fruit, but it's quite young, so it has no star shape.
it's very,
Poor
very
babies.
Yeah.
Making the rougeuk, which is a Balinese fruit salad. Look at this. Ooh, adding in the lime juice. Wow. Carmina's gonna do a cooking video, detailed video, in like a few years. Wait for it, guys. Just wait for it. So Carmina has just finished cooking, and then I've just finished taking notes.
You
And now,
pretty notes.
this is called the rougeuk.
Rujak.
It's rujak. Rujak. Are you?
Yeah, not you.
Are you J A? Rujak. Rujak. This is my cute handwriting, guys.
Bitter fruit, mango, pineapple.
Rujak. Balinese fruit
Any
salad.
bitter.
Balinese ladies' favorite food to eat while gossiping. Wow.
What's this from?
Oompa loompa
Ooh, yes.
doobity doo.
Wow. It smells very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a fly.
Done.
Oh, wait, don't steal our food.
Sensation. Dessert is served. I absolutely cannot get over this view. It's amazing. Just the waves and everything. I can look at this all day, honestly. It's crazy.
Much later.
I've just got my luggage, and I thought Carmina was gonna get hers, but apparently it's not hers. And then here are some goodies. Focus. Here are some goodies that I bought on the plane. Oh, it's so weird vlogging in Hong Kong. So focus. Hello.
Focus.
Oh, English.
We're in back. Oh, I look like a light bulb. Look at that. See, right? Can we get a better one? I think this is a bit better, right?
We're leaving now. Bye. Oh, we're back in Hong Kong.
Oh, you're doing it.
We're back in Hong Kong now. Bye. We're back in Hong Kong now. Bye-bye. Bye. See you on Instagram.
I was gonna say.
Oh, wait.